Hello, I'm Rich Lord from Rich Lord Travels. Today I'm in Penistone in South Yorkshire. I'm going to tell you a little bit where the name came from. Right, nothing to do with that, nothing like that. It's called because back in the Domesday Book in 1086, I know you've read it, it says Penistone, or Penistone, which is a farmstead at the hill, and the hill is called Penning, so that's why it's called Penistone, that's why it's evolved over time to become that. That's all it is. Simple, really. Nothing rude, nothing dodgy. So, right, let's go and have a look around the town. Let's go! Here we have the Penistone Paramount. It's the local cinema that was built as the Assembly Hall in 1914. So it's been going 110 years. It's a single screen cinema with 344 seats. But behind the screen is a large stage where they present their live events. I do like old cinemas like this that have been going a long time. They certainly have a lot more feeling to them than the big multiplex cinemas. So they'll probably have one film showing at a time for a week and then another one coming the following week, those kind of things. But it's real. The historical side of things is real. I like it. I like it. It's good. Let's go look at this sheep over here as well. Excellent. What could be better than a sheep who likes popcorn? Good stuff. This is one of the many former Carnegie libraries in the north of England. Great building. It's such a shame that libraries aren't in greater use nowadays. I think it says a lot about society that libraries aren't prioritised in our culture and our societies. Such a shame, but still a great building. The former Carnegie Free Library. The Trans-Pennine Trail runs through Penistone. You can see here on the map in front of us. The Trans-Pennine Trail is a trail that goes across the Pennines. It's true. It's 215 miles coast to coast from Hornsea on the east coast through to Southport on the west coast, and extends to over 370 miles of pathways and routes. You can see some of the areas it covers here, all the way from the east coast to the west coast, and lots of north-south bits as well. So here in Penistone, here we are, lots of things to see here. So this area here covers 6 miles worth of trail, so there's lots to see here. So if you come to Penistone, bring your bike or come for a walk, and you can see lots of the local area and the local countryside. Good stuff. Here we have Penistone train station. Let's go and have a look at that now. Some lovely daffodils on the walkway up to the train station. This is another sign for Trans-Pennine Trail here at Penistone Station. What's it say? It says it's a charming market town with a weekly retail and cattle market and a church dating back to the 13th century. There you go. You are here. So here we are at Penistone. There's departures for the train station to Huddersfield and Sheffield. Let's go and have a bit of a closer look. Very much a rural station. So fields across the road. Across the track. Not much here at the train station facility wise, but it's useful if you want to get in and out of Sheffield or Huddersfield or further afield to connecting stations. Penistone Station. Choo choo. Coming to look at this area here. But what is it? It's the market hall. It's an oaken crook barn in a medieval style, but it was only built 10-15 years ago. It's impressive, isn't it? Look at the work that's gone in to build this. Penistone Market is open every Thursday and Saturday. So if you're in the area, come on in. I do like how Penistone has these sheep sculptures all around the town. There's one by the cinema, and there's two here by the market. Excellent. Let's see if I can find some more. While we're here, do you want to know a few facts about Penistone? I know you do. Right, Penistone is twinned with a town in Iceland. It's called Grindavik or Grindavik, whatever the Icelandic pronunciation is. So it's twinned with there. In 2007, Penistone became a fair trade town. That's good stuff. What else? John Stones, the footballer, used to play for Barnsley, went on to Manchester City and now plays for England. He's from here as well. Good stuff. Right, that's all I've got for now. Population, 24,000 people. Barnsley's 8 miles one direction, Sheffield 14 miles another direction, Manchester 29 miles that way. So we're here in the middle of all that. Right, let's go look around the town. Let's go. There's lots of eating and drinking options around Penistone, so if you're hungry or if you're thirsty, come and have a look round. Just outside Ward's Fish and Chip Shop here. There's another place across the road as well. Let's have a look round now. I like how this DIY shop is called Do It Yourself, Proper Yorkshire. All throughout the town they have these areas that are sponsored by local businesses or in memory of friends and family that have passed away. This one's sponsored by Eager Beaver Dog Training. Fantastic. Here we have Penistone 1, a new style office block that kind of captures the older style as well, so it fits in and blends nicely in the surroundings here. Hello, click subscribe while you're here, thank you. I'm here at the Memorial Ground, which is the home of Penistone Church FC, founded in 1906. We've actually got a game tonight against Knaresborough Town. Let's see if we can sneak a look in the ground before they kick off. Here at the ground they also host Penistone Footpath Runners and Athletic Club here as well, and there's this stone here for Penistone Church FC, founded in 1906. It's a nice ground, this. Nice sheltered area down the side of the pitch here with the black and white seating. Lovely scenery backdrop with the hillside over the side. And they're getting ready for kick-off later on this evening. The pitch is in good condition, say all the bad weather that's been had recently. And Penistone Church Football Club, and you can see the church in the background over there. We'll have a look at that shortly. And here we come to the church, St John the Baptist. This beautiful archway as we go in here, made of metal. And there's some interesting memorials in here as well. I mean, look at this grave here, this memorial monument here. Look at the detail to this. Wow. Whew. The life and achievements of Nicholas Saunderson was celebrated by the children of Springvale Primary School. at that. It's impressive. Look at all the work that the school children have put in for this. Fantastic. And here we are outside St John the Baptist Church. It dates back to 1200 since there's a church on this site, and that tower has been there since 1500. That's the longest remaining section of the church, and we're quite high up here. This is 250 metres above sea level, and this is St John the Baptist Church. There's definitely a nice feel around here. Here's a bus stop, buses to Barnsley and Ingbirchworth, and there's another reminder about the Trans-Pennine Trail in Penistone. Yeah. I was just talking to a gentleman who was telling me about the work the local round table do in the area, and they say they do the fireworks, the sleigh run in that month, December, and also the Mayor's Parade and Gala in June as well. It's a real community feel around here. People seem to want to do things for each other and support local business as well, with the shops and the businesses locally. That's good to see. Well done, Penistone. Here's another angle of St John the Baptist Parish Church. Look at it. It's impressive. Look at all the flowers on the graves. People are obviously very good at upkeeping the area. Oh, very nice. What a very nice, peaceful area. And I found another sheep. This one's at Penistone Leisure Centre, Sporting Penistone. Hello, Mr. Sheep. Hello, Leisure Centre. Here we have Penistone Library, and the first customer for the Penistone Library is the sheep. The sheep's reading Rambling in Penistone, and look at these books underneath that he's been reading: Animal Farm, Bar, Knitting for Sheep, Farmer's Tales, Sean, My Story. What else we got? Great Balls of Wool, Counting Sheep, The Silence of the Lambs. Good stuff. Well done, Mr. Sheep. It's just so peaceful here. These are the playing fields. People walking the dogs. Wow. It's nice. Penistone's a lovely place. If you're in the area, you need to come and have a look round it. It really is nice. It's a lovely spring April evening where I've come today after work, and the sun shines out, crows are in the tree, and yeah, it's just beautiful. Just beautiful. It's a good place to be. Come to Penistone. Doing these walking tours around towns and villages and cities around the country, it makes me hungry. I'm afraid that's the case. I'm quite active, but it does work up a bit of an appetite. So I'm gonna go and find somewhere to eat now. Have a guess what I'm gonna eat. Penistone Fish and Chip Shop. I think I'll go and give it a bit of a whirl myself. Let's do this. Wow, these look nice. Woo! Penistone Fish and Chips. Let's do this. These chips are amazing. That fish is beautiful as well. Very good value as well. Sheep. Why are you showing me some sheep? Well, that's because Penistone is known for its sheep. The white-faced woodland sheep. They've been around this area since 1699. So these little sheepies in the field over here, certainly the white-faced ones, Penistone sheep they are. Hello! Where are we now, Rich? Well, we're still in Penistone. Look at the sky, the clouds. This bridge here takes us across the River Don. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? There's the river. There's one on this side as well. And what we got up over here? This is what we've come to see. This is the viaduct. 29 arches we've got here. I won't count them because some are behind trees. Take my word, there are 29. And this viaduct for the railway next to the River Don was built in 1849. How peaceful that is. And then we've got this, the railway viaduct. It's a very peaceful area, this. Grassy area with the nice big trees. Conifers, the spring flowers blossom on the trees. This river obviously goes down into Sheffield after here at Penistone. See if we can get a decent shot along the side of the viaduct. Always amazes me how big they are. How strong these are to be around for 170 years. We've got a good view, so we've got a good number that way and all these down here. There we go. Well, what a lovely place Penistone is. It really is nice. It's a friendly place. The locals are coming to talk to me and say, oh, they're interested in what I'm doing and what I'm filming. They're telling me places to go and try to have a look and find those kind of things. So that's been really helpful. So if you're in the area, come to Penistone. It's a good place. Bye bye for now.